There is a way to enhance your creative process to deliver remarkable results. And we can learn about this way in a process that's occurring in your brain right at this very moment. But before we dive into this process of the brain that can teach us how we might improve our creative process, we must take a quick detour into biology class. I know, no science classes, but just stick with me, it's going to be worth it. One of the most fascinating mechanisms in biology is the interaction that happens between neurons. A neuron is another name for a brain cell, so potato, brain cell, neurons. Yeah. There are billions of neurons in your brain right now, helping you to breathe and to do everything that you're doing at the moment, including watching this video. We will keep our focus on the neurons that are responsible for learning and memory. A neuron comprises a head and a tail. The head, called the soma, has branch-like endings known as dendrites that receive signals in the form of neurotransmitters or from external stimuli like light or touch. The tail, called an axon, sends neurotransmitters. When a new skill, like learning a bike, is being learned, a neuron sends signals to other neurons, establishing paths. At first, these paths are weak because they are new and yet to be traversed. But each time a signal is sent, the connections between neurons, called synapses, that form along these paths become stronger by increasing the amount of neurotransmitters released or by becoming more sensitive to them. This strengthening of connection reinforces the neural pathway while diminishing or repurposing the parts less used, making it more efficient and optimizing the use of neural resources. What this tells us is this: when you lack a way of doing something, explore. When you have a way of doing something that delivers what is intended, exploit. If you have made it this far into the video, firstly, thank you. Secondly, I will call on you to hit that subscribe button so that the algorithm can learn about this relationship that we are building. Now back to the video. Structures can be thought of as builds you derive and reinforce as you traverse creative pursuits. Some present themselves easily. For example, the setting and rising of the sun tell to divide your day into wake time and sleep time. The seasons guide on when to plant and when to harvest. Yet, other structures are elusive, requiring exploration before they can reveal themselves and be harnessed. There are numerous builds that, when brought together into a well-structured system, deliver remarkable results. But regardless of the structures, the key takeaway from this video is this: the way to enhance your creative process is by creative outputs that have proven effective. When you invent the wheel, the need to reinvent it diminishes, allowing opportunity for refining and optimizing its use for even deeper exploration. The focus of our next video is going to be on how to effectively derive builds from the outputs of your creative ends. Until then, I ask that you like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for even more content.